100% you should.
I would definitely recommend this program to anyone who wants to join it.
If you're thinking about it, stop. Just do it. Yeah.
Do it.
Definitely take part.
Defo, come through. It'll be a great insight and great experience.
It's a really good opportunity, and I feel like opportunities like this usually don't come around that often, and it's lovely to see when they do. So don't miss out on this opportunity. It is a really good chance to build connections and to find out more about yourself as a person and just build those personal development skills as well.
What I would say to other Black students is, aren't you tired yet of being relegated, of being told no, of being second or looked down upon? It's not like we're all being looked down upon anywhere, but you know, aren't you tired of your status quo? Break those barriers, you know, do something for yourself, stand up, find a way to better your odds. And honestly, this is it.